Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. Words of former President, scientist, educationist, and missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You can make your dreams come true if you put in the effort and make a reasonable plan. There will be some bumps along the way, but if you learn from your setbacks, you will be more likely to get what you have always wanted in the end. Today, we are going to discuss how to make your dreams come true. To make your dreams come true, first of all, be specific about your dreams so you can be on your way to make it happen. One way to be very specific about your dream is to write them in your dream journal or in your notebook. The second thing that you can do is turn your dream into a burning desire. You will need to turn your dream into a burning desire in your heart. A strong will to achieve your dreams boosts self-confidence and will aid you in pulling through some of the worst stages of life. And turn your burning desire into goals. But to actually turn it into a goal, you need to believe that you will do it. This kind of believing is based on your commitment that if it can be done, then you can do it. And that if you can do it right now. And make a plan. Write down every step of your plan. Having it written down, then you can help you feel that it is more concrete and doable. Just remember that life isn't so cute and dry that you may not neatly be able to check off one goal after the other. And that you may end up changing some of the necessary steps for achieving your dreams or reimagine a new path along the way. So make your plan and take action now itself. The way of the universe is that like attracts like, and where there is a need, the universe seems to find a way of meeting those needs through opportunities. You need to be prepared for them as you take action on your plans to achieve your goals, which will help you actualize your burning desire and make your dream a reality. And set short-term goals. When you are forming short-term goals to reach your dream or even thinking about long-term goals to do so, it can really help to get advice from the people in the field, whether they are close friends or acquaintances, to see how they did it. This will help you a better sense of what those goals should be and how realistic and doable they really are. And also, after that, review your progress regularly. As you start on the path to making your dreams come true, it's important to have a sense of what you are accomplishing. Though Rome wasn't built in a day, and you may not be progressing as quickly as you wanted, it's important to have a sense that you are moving forward. And visualize success. Close your eyes from time to time and picture what your life will be like after you have achieved your goal. Tell yourself that you have already received the goal and imagine what your mind, home, relationship, and thoughts will be like when you get the thing you wanted the most. And maintain your confidence. Keeping a positive attitude will go a long way in helping you maintain your confidence. If you only imagine the worst thing that can happen in a situation, then it will be more likely to occur. Likewise, a negative attitude can also interfere with your confidence. And learn from failure. Of course, instead of getting setbacks bring you down, use them to get more hungry to achieve your goal. I repeat, more hungry to achieve your goal. Build in evaluation of sub-goals and deadlines. Use your reviews to make each step more realistic. And accept all criticism that comes along your way. Of course, just because someone cares about you or knows a lot about your goals doesn't mean that he or she will always know the best course of action. It's up to you to choose your discretion to what advice you should take and what advice you should throw out. And remove all the hurdles that come in your way. Make a list of all the things that are holding you back. Ask a close friend to help you. You may not even realize that something as simple as an addiction to TV is keeping you from reaching your full potential. So remove all the hurdles that stand in your way. And Reevaluate your dream if you can't achieve it. Even the most talented celebrities of successful people, we had their fair share of luck, and at the end of the day, you may have all the talent and drive in the world, but you may not be able to make it work. If this is the case, you have tried again and again, there will come a point where you will have to realize that you need to modify your goals or create new goals so that you can live a happy and fulfilling life. So, reevaluate your dream if you think that you can't achieve it. And finally, enjoy the journey. You should enjoy the following each and every step instead of thinking that you will only be happy or feel proud of yourself or feel like your life has meaning after you have achieved your goal. Instead, enjoy every step of the way and be proud of yourself the whole way through. So these are some of the things that you can do to achieve your dreams come true. And finally, the question for the day. Normally, we all see nightmares occur for you. So, how are these nightmares caused? What is the science behind that? So, that is the question. How are nightmares caused? So, see you in the next video. Learn, share knowledge, and have fun with School 5. It's School 5 signing off. Bye.